Friends, good morning. Welcome to Mytre's kitchen. So today's recipe is a sweet corn recipe. It is called our sweet corn curry, also called as sweet corn sabzi. This goes very well with tiffin items, especially chapati, puri and naan. So let us get into our recipe. The main ingredients to do this is of course our sweet corn, which is boiled and kept in a cup, along with chopped onions, tomatoes, coriander leaves, cashew paste around 10 numbers, ginger garlic paste, and our fresh cream. Fresh cream is optional. If you want, you can use it. Along with the said ingredients, we'll be using our basic items like chili powder, salt, cumin seeds, bay leaves. So let us get into our sweet corn sabji. The first step to do our sweet corn curry or sabji is, I've taken a pan, added 2 tablespoons of refined oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. Followed with our cumin seeds, I'm going to add bay leaves. Followed with our cumin seeds and bay leaves, I'm going to add 1 big large onions finely chopped. Get our onions cooked quickly. I'm just adding the required amount of salt. Along with salt, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely pasted ginger garlic paste. So friends, now the onions, everything is tossed well. I'm going to add 1 big tomato finely chopped. So let everything get blended well. Find our tomatoes and onions are nicely getting cooked. It's almost smashed well. At this stage, we are going to add all our spices, starting with our garam masala, a tablespoon, and chili powder. So let us add our 1 tablespoon of garam masala, followed with a tablespoon of chili powder, or as per the spice you wanted. Along with this, we are going to add, to make it more creamy and healthier, I'm going to add the cashew paste. So first we are going to add our cashew paste. So close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Let all the raw smell of the chili powder, everything go away, and let's see what is next. As you can find, our oil is nicely got separated. You can see it's nicely getting cooked. So at this stage, I'm going to add the cooked sweet corn into the tawa. I'm going to add 1 cup of sweet corn. Sweet corn is very good for health, so please try doing different varieties of recipes. Now close the lid and add the required amount of water. Close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Let me add the water right now. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. You can add as per the requirement, and close the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Let us see how well is our corn cooked. Yes, it's nicely got cooked. As we have already cooked our corn and added into the gravy, so it's nicely come out. You can please find it here. Now at this stage, I'm going to add fresh cream. It's actually optional. If you do not want to add fresh cream, in substitute we can add coconut paste, but fresh cream will be more nice compared to coconut paste. So I'm just going to add a little fresh cream, followed with little kasuri methi just to enhance it. So followed with a kasturi methi, I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves, and it is ready to be displayed and served hot. So this is our sweet corn sabji. Friends, here goes our lovely sweet corn sabji. Please do try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.